Hey there, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about ways that you can get paid by posting short form content videos on Facebook and make money with Facebook Reels. I've made a previous video where I talked about Instagram Reels and how you can monetize with Instagram Reels. In this video, we're going to talk specifically about Facebook and how you can actually monetize on Facebook with Facebook Reels Bonuses program. What a lot of people are doing, and what I advise a lot of my clients to do with their content, is if you're creating content on TikTok, what you're going to do is you're going to take your TikTok videos and you're going to start to upload those onto Facebook. Even if you just create inside the app, right? If you create inside your regular old video app and you just create short form video content in your phone, you definitely want to take that content and you want to put it out there onto Facebook Reels and on the Instagram Reels. How you actually figure out if you are monetizable on Facebook Reels and how you can actually apply as well. First things first is that you have to have Facebook on your phone. You have to upload your Reels on mobile. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up my mobile app here so that I can show you guys. Okay, so you have to be on mobile. So we're going to go to Facebook and I'm going to show you how to actually post a reel, and then I want to show you how you can apply for the Reels Bonuses program if you're not already in the Reels Bonuses program. So you have to be on your mobile phone. You have to upload Reels on mobile only. You cannot upload Reels at this time, at the time of this video, on your desktop. You have to be on mobile. So we're going to go to Facebook and I'm going to go to my business page. My business page is called Profitable Content Podcast. So this is part of the Profitable Content Podcast where I do interviews. I talk to people about content monetization and ways that they've been able to monetize and things to that effect on the podcast. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down. And at first glance, you may not see it. So if you go onto your Facebook business page and you're scrolling, as you can see here, you may not see it when you first get in there, but if you keep scrolling down, you'll see it down here at the bottom. You'll see Reel. Right here where it says create a post, you have photo, create a story, and Reel. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to upload a piece of content to that Reel. So I'm going to use one of my TikToks that I've previously recorded, and we're going to click on next. You can put in any description that you want to put in here and go ahead and post. Now that is a reel that I have posted. I'll go ahead and what I suggest you do is you actually remove the watermark whenever you're posting anything to TikTok. So I'm not going to actually post this, but I would go in, place in any text that I wanted to put in here, the reason why your YouTube videos, your YouTube shorts may be getting 0 views. That would be the title for that particular video. And then I would go ahead and click on done and click on share reel. I'm not going to do that because I still have the TikTok watermark and I want to make sure that I remove the watermark completely. All right, so that is how you post a reel on your Facebook business page. Now let's go ahead and hop into how do you even see if you qualify for the program. The number one thing you want to do is you want to go to Facebook Creator Studio, and all you have to do is type in Creator Studio. Once you type in Creator Studio, it'll say here Creator Studio Business Manager. You click on that, and then it's going to go ahead and pull up your Facebook business page if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll need to log in order to pull this up. So once you're logged in here, it's going to show you all of the Facebook pages that you manage. So I'm going to go to only one of my Facebook business pages because I manage quite a few pages for my clients and myself. So we're going to go here and we're going to only select my Profitable Content Podcast page. So let me go grab that. All right, we only want one page selected and we're going to click on view. So I only have my Profitable Content Podcast page selected here. I'm going to go to monetization, scroll down, and underneath monetization, we're going to click on bonuses. All right, so here you can see I have the bonuses program. Now, the reason why these other ones are showing up as 0 because I didn't know the bonuses program was enabled on this page. Just found that out. So we went ahead and now I already have 280 bonus plays just on one video that I've posted up here. I'm going to post a couple more videos. I'm going to do some today and I'm going to do some tomorrow, and I'll be posting those videos up here to try to get this 40,000 maximum bonus payout. So if I can reach 40,000, then I can make a ton of money on Facebook Reels. As you can see, I have a higher payout maximum bonus because I don't have a lot of views. This is a brand new Facebook business page. So now let's talk about if you have a couple of different Facebook pages. I actually have 2 that are monetized right now. If you have a couple of different Facebook pages, how do you go in and submit a page to be monetized with Facebook Reels? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go to Google, and I'll actually put the link down in my description as well, but you're going to type in apply to Facebook bonus. Oops, might want to spell bonus right. Bonus program. And I will have the link down in the description so you can take a look at it. Okay, we're going to click on bonus program here. And what it'll do is it'll bring you to this page that we're on. Now this page is Meta for Creators. Meta for Creators is it's a blog of sorts that Facebook has put together for creators just like you and I so that we can monetize. They give you a bunch of different monetization tools. They let you know what you're eligible for, what you ain't eligible for, and let you know all of the different features that they have available. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to express interest. Now what you're going to do is select the page that you want to have monetized. So I'm going to go to my Mama's Confidence page on here. Doesn't look like it. So I'll go to her build her platform page. So I'll say I want to have this page actually monetized. I want to go ahead and submit to have that page monetized. For Mama's Confidence, there it is, Mama's Confidence page. I don't have an Instagram for this particular page. I only have a Facebook for this page. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to put all of the above because I want to be monetized with anything that they give to me at this point. And we're going to put in motherhood here. This is my motherhood page, and we're going to click submit. And now that form has been submitted, it'll go to Facebook corporate, and now we can apply to have Facebook bonuses on this actual Facebook business page. All right, so I've gone ahead, I've walked you through how to find out if you're eligible for Facebook Reels bonuses. I've walked you through how to actually upload a Facebook Reel. So you are all set. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down in the comment section. Let me know, have you gotten the Facebook Reels bonuses payout? Let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't, have you clicked on the link to apply? I want to hear from you. I want to know if you've done that. And if you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and hit me up on Instagram. You may want to join our Facebook group. I have a free Facebook group where I do a lot of the trainings that you see here. I do some additional trainings and also do some Q&As, and you get a discount on the Q&A when you're a part of the group. So if you'd like to join our monthly Q&A, definitely go ahead and join our Facebook group because I'll be dropping the link to my folks in our Facebook group first. It is limited, so I only keep the room open to 20 seats. Once those 20 seats are gone, then that Q&A is shut down because I go in depth in my Q&As. My Q&As are like consultations. They are like basically having me walk you through and coach you through sessions, right? We spend literally hours in these Q&As where I go in depth and I help you personally get to the status that you want to get to, help you get to the other side and answer any questions that you may have. So you definitely want to make sure that you're inside of the Facebook group. You can click the link in the description to join the Facebook group. See you all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. What are you waiting for? We have dope, amazing content here for you. You definitely want to get alerted when I upload a video. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. So you've watched this video. Go ahead and watch more videos here on my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more notifications on when I upload the next video. It's going to teach you all about monetization, everything you wanted to know. Peace.